हे गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऑनलाइन एमबीए की। अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25,000 से 30,000 स्टूडेंट्स हर साल ऑनलाइन एमबीए या ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज को प्रेफर करते हैं, बट हमें ये देखना है कि ऑनलाइन एमबीए या ऑनलाइन कोई भी कोर्स जो ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज चले आ रहे हैं, जो ट्रेडिशनल एमबीए चला आ रहा है, उसके बराबर कंपैटिबल है कि नहीं या उसके बराबर वैलिड है कि नहीं इन द इंडस्ट्री फील्ड। सो इस वीडियो में हम सभी चीज़ों पे बात करेंगे, बेनिफिट्स एंड द कॉन्स विच ऑनलाइन एमबीए आर हैविंग, एंड डिफरेंस भी हम कंसिडर करेंगे कि ऑनलाइन एमबीए और ट्रेडिशनल एमबीए में क्या डिफरेंस है। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। सबसे पहले ये जान लेते हैं कि ऑनलाइन एमबीए है क्या। सो बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज़, प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऑनलाइन मैनेजमेंट डिग्री प्रोवाइड करती हैं एंड दैट टू ऑन अ लोअर फीस। ये डिग्री आप कहीं पे भी एंड कहीं से भी परस्यू कर सकते हो। इवन इफ़ यू आर इन इंडस्ट्री, अगर आप जॉब कर रहे हो या आप बिजनेस कर रहे हो या आप कोई और फील्ड परस्यू कर रहे हो, तो उसके साथ साथ ये ऑनलाइन एमबीए डिग्री आपको मिल सकती है। सम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जो आपको ये प्रोवाइड करती हैं इंक्लूड्स एमआईटी, चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, एलपीयू, मणिपाल एंड सो ऑन। आप इनके वेबसाइट्स पे जाके या इनके प्रोग्राम्स को देख के आप ये जान सकते हो कि इनकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्या है, इनकी फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है एंड व्हाट आर द प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड्स दे आर हैविंग इन पास्ट फ्यू ईयर्स। बट एट द एंड क्वेश्चन यही आके रुक जाता है कि ऑनलाइन एमबीए या ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज जो ट्रेडिशनल एमबीए या जो ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज चले आ रहे हैं उनके बराबर वैलिड है कि नहीं व्हेन यू गो फॉर जॉब इन इंडस्ट्री। We will be comparing all the fields of online MBA and traditional MBA. Starting with the benefits of online MBA, the most important benefit which I can consider is flexibility of the courses. You can attend lectures and you can decide your study time according to you. This flexibility you are having in online MBA, which you won't be getting in traditional MBAs, as you have to attend colleges and various classes which are incurred by the colleges. Second benefit which is on my list is facilities you are getting. Wherever you are having your laptop or mobile phones, you can attend classes, you can study from there. It's not needed to have a proper classrooms, it's not needed to have a proper place for studying. Wherever you are comfortable, wherever you are having the access, you can attend all the lectures and all the study materials which are provided by the institutions. That's gonna be a boom for some of the students or some of the people who are pursuing their job and want to enhance their career with getting a management degree. Third benefit includes various courses which are provided. As similar to traditional MBA, online MBA also provides courses in various fields such as human resource, finance, business analytics and so on. So you won't be feeling that the courses which are provided in traditional MBA, you are missing those courses out in online MBA. You will be getting same courses, so that's gonna be a big benefit when it comes to compare. And the most important benefit which I consider is the fee structure. If you are going for a master's degree in any of the field, in any of the institutions, you have to pay a bunch amount of money as a fee for those courses. But if you are going to pursue an online MBA or online course, then it will be much less than which you would be paying in traditional courses or traditional MBA. So अगर हम कंपैरिजन की बात करें, अगर हम कंपेयर करना चाहें ऑनलाइन MBA और ट्रेडिशनल MBA को, देन फी स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो ऑनलाइन MBA की जो फीस जाती है वेरिंग अपॉन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉलेजेस एंड वेरियस इंस्टीट्यूशंस, वो जाती है 1.75 लाख से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 5 लाख तक। और अगर हम ट्रेडिशनल MBA की बात करें तो वो उनकी फीस जाती है वेरिंग अपॉन डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस अप टू 40 लाख रुपये। So this make a big difference in between online MBA and traditional MBA. In MBA specifically, there are huge amount of students who are pursuing every year because of the fee structure only. Uh, there might be some other reasons as well, but the fee structure still be the topmost reason for choosing the online MBA, because they are getting the same degree, the same structure of courses, the same study materials in half of the rate. So why they won't be pursuing? अगर हम ऑनलाइन MBA की बात करें, यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन ऑल्सो, कोर्स ड्यूरेशन उनका भी 2 ही साल का होता है जितना ट्रेडिशनल MBA होता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि वो कम समय में ख़त्म हो जाएगा या जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. एंड as I told, the fee structure is from 1.1 lakhs to 1.75 it is mentioned here, but some of the universities also take 5 lakhs, till 5 lakhs rupees for completing the online MBA and providing you the degree. Job opportunities which you will be getting after the completing of your courses is, as you all know, that in MBA it is brand managers, advertising managers, financial advisors, and many more. So the fields in which you will be entering after completing online MBA is very much similar or almost same to the traditional MBA. So there won't be a much difference in between when you are going to pursue online MBA or traditional MBA when it comes to entering the industry and the fields you are entering in that industry. After this, online MBA is also UGC approved, so you won't be having that much confusion that it is not UGC approved, or the courses or the curriculum which is being followed is not as per the standards of MBA. The admission process of the online MBA is also similar to the traditional MBA, that some of the direct admissions are also taken in private universities, and other than that, the entrance exams which are being taken for the entrance of online MBA is CAT, CMAT, GMAT, CUET, and many more. So you can check it out, every course curriculum and every course cutoff for specific universities you will be applying for. As I told you that some of the colleges which offers online MBA are Amity, Chandigarh, LPU, IIM Ahmedabad, and many more. And some of the top recruiting companies which are taking from online MBA, taking the placements from online MBA are Infosys, Google, Amazon, TCS, Reliance, Wipro, Accenture, and many more companies also takes online MBA students. It's not that it is limited to these companies only. And the average package on which they are taking depends upon the fields you are entering, varies from 5 lakhs to 15 lakhs, and it can vary from college to college also. So it's not like that the package will be falling under this bucket only. It can happen that some of the colleges provide more better placements in terms of online MBA, but the average package, the average consideration of students they are getting is 5 to 15 lakhs, and the source of this information is shiksha.com, so the stats are taken from there only. ये तो रहे सारे benefits which you will be getting in online MBA, but as we know that everything is not a benefit and everything is not having only benefits. So we will be talking about the limitations of online MBA. The first limitation of online MBA is that you won't be getting that network which you will be getting in colleges. You won't be able to socialize with people, you won't be able to meet new people as what they are thinking, what they are thinking about the industry, how they are pursuing their college, and how they are going to choose the company or any other fields they will be pursuing. So you will be missing out that networking thing in online MBA, as you won't be attending any college. Second limitation includes that you have to manage the time, you have to create a discipline for you so that you don't miss out any lectures, or you don't have to do things compiled up, which will be very much difficult for any student who, or any candidate who is pursuing online MBA with his or her job. So it's gonna be very difficult if you don't create a discipline nature for you, and that is uh, a big limitation in online MBA, that people think that they will attend lectures afterwards, they will attend lectures after some time, and or they can attend lectures on weekends altogether. So that discipline missing will be very much difficult for you to manage. Third thing is value of the certificate. The biggest question which I mentioned in the start, that does this online MBA is having the similar degree or same value degree as the traditional MBA? So that question will come into mind because some of the companies don't consider online MBA as the same value as traditional MBA. So that's gonna be a limitation, but majority of the companies consider online MBA, so that limitation is remediated from other companies. These were the limitations, but these limitations can be remediated if you follow a proper discipline. If you can attend online sessions in which you will be able to socialize with the people who are also pursuing online MBA. So these limitations can be remedied. And now the tips for pursuing a successful online MBA from my side, from my perspective: use your time properly. Whatever time you are getting for attending the lecture, attend those lectures on the same time, so you won't be able to attend the piled up lectures, and you won't be missing out the things which are necessary other than that. So manage your time better, use the resources which are available for you, which are provided by the institutions provide the facility. It's not like that they won't be providing you anything. They will be providing you study materials and many more facilities which you will be getting from the side of institutions. So use those resources properly. Meet people through your online sessions, don't miss out the sessions. So if you will be attending online sessions at time at which it is uh, being taught, so you will be able to attend the live people who are attending those lectures. So you will be able to connect with them, you will be able to share the things with them, that how they are pursuing, how you have to go beyond for doing the things which are necessary. So that will be helping you a lot. And the final tip that I can give you is take the feedbacks from the professors, mates of those online sessions. So you will be able to assess that where are you lacking, where you have to work hard for attending, for managing the time better, managing the resource better, and attending those lectures whenever it is necessary. So these were all. Online MBA is a good and growing aspects of today's management. In coming future, you will be getting that many more students, many more people will be getting the degree online and using those degree in industry, or it can also happen that industry also start to consider online. Whichever company is not considering it now might consider in future. So with this, I'll be ending this video, and thank you so much for watching. Any questions, any queries you are having, you can comment it down below, and see you in next video. Thank you so much.